Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2012 Chrysler 200LX. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 dual VVT engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Guys, in the bright white, and it looks great. Up front here we do have projector style halogen headlamps that are very bright, as well as you get the Chrysler logo up here with the chrome grille. It looks very nice and it gives it a very nice look. On the side here we do have 17-inch rims with our tires there, and there's still lots of tread left on them, so they'll be good for a while. Around the side here you do have your heated exterior mirrors, which will help you get going a little bit quicker in the winter. You got your handles here, and coming around the back we do have the Chrysler logo right there. And on the keys here we'll just press the button to open up the trunk. There we go. And we'll open this guy up. There's quite a bit of room in the trunk here, as you can see, and it is very soft as well. It'll be nice and safe. You can push the seats forward as well if you need to get a little bit of extra room, and your spare tire is right underneath there as well. We got our keys here, so we got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your 2 presses to open up the back. You got your panic button here, and 2 presses to activate the remote start. Remote start is so nice, especially in winter here. It'll get it nice and warm for you, so when you jump in you don't have to worry. But let's unlock and let's jump on in. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right there, as well as you got a little bit of chrome accenting here, a handle here, and some storage right down here. Then you got this button here that does open up the back, right there. And then you do also have the controls over your high beams and your low beams, as well as your turning signals and the rest of your light controls right in there. Okay, on the inside now, let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as you got your fuel gauge and your oil temperature. And then as well you do have how many kilometers we have, which is 65,000. That's not very many. And then you also have the center there. You can change that. You got your trip A there, your trip B, then you have the temperature outside and back there, as well as you do have the gear we're in. Then you can control that stuff from right here. You get your horn in the middle, and then you also have your cruise control options here. This guy is your controls over your windshield wipers right there. And around the back of the steering wheel you do have your audio controls, so up and down, as well as you have on the other side for your channel, and then you never have to take your hand off the steering wheel. The 200 does have a very nice look. You got this really cool Chrysler little clock here. Very nice. Then you have your seek options. You have your AM and your FM and your disc, your aux cord, your rewind, and your fast forward. You got your CD player in the center there. Then you have your volume up and down, as well as your on and off. You got your radio in the middle, of course. And then you also have your tuner, your presets. That's how you set it. You got your aux cord there. And then you do have your traction control options here. You have your hazard lights there, and then this guy is your power up and down for your your climate control. You got push to change circulation. You got your AC and your heat, and you do also have where it's going to blow out of, plus your defrost. Bit of storage down here. Then you do have your gear shift right here, so just like that, shift the gears around. You got your e-brake here, and then you do have some cup holders here. You have your armrest here, which has lots of room, as well as you do have a 12-volt plug-in in there. And then you do have a top layer as well right there for a little bit of storage. If you want like some change or something in there, it'd be very good for that. You got your glove box here with your owner's manual inside of it. Lots of room in there. And then you got some lights just up here. Okay, let's take a look on the inside here. You got the chrome accenting here. You got your controls over your windows. Handle here. Storage down here, and it is lots of room back here as well, tons of leg room. It's very soft, just like the front, and you can pull this guy down just like this, and you got some cup holders there. If you don't need it, you can seat 5 people. Right here you can pull this down and you can get into the back, as well as I mentioned earlier, you can pull this little tab right here. Let's grab that a little better. Pull this tab and it does fold down, and then you can put something through if you need a little bit more room. And there's our 2.4-liter dual VVT engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2012 Chrysler 200LX. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.